DNA test should be compulsory. I don't know what you want to call me. It should be compulsory as you dey born the pikin. Runner and not do and hide. Let your wife know. If your wife want to do and too for your husband, maybe let your husband know.
Alright, I posted a video day before yesterday about where this marriage was cancelled because the man discovered that the wife-to-be went and met with her ex a night before this marriage celebration, and because of that, he has to cancel the marriage during the celebration. And I also did say something concerning the rumors around DNA tests, that if DNA tests were to be conducted in every marriage, that most marriages will be shocked with what they will discover. Now, this is another story that will cut your imagination. Listen to it and let me know what you think on the comment section. Also share for others to see what is going on.
So why they talk say DNA test gas dey compulsory? Wetin happen?
Last 3 weeks, my friend find out say the wife went already married to for 4 years. They get 3 years old son.
Okay.
The first heavy revelation I say, this woman get 3 other children outside. He not tell her they marry. After I will find herself, that revelation, they can't try patch things up. Only for her to say, me you go do DNA test for this
the boy.
Now I find her say, the boy
No being picking.
not be picking.
Yeah.
When he tell me, I say, Jesus, I know if he bear this. That was last 3 weeks. Last week, one of my friends who I never hear from
In a long time.
in a very long time, I call you decide because once I'll check on people. The last time we'll talk now, around he said me say yeah, his wife get quarrel. His wife can't go on other states where parents in. So I know I can't ask her what you say, you know if you talk about her. So when I come message her, where you dey? He said I don't dey UK. I say UK. Oh, that means that you and your wife and Pekin, because they get 2 years old daughter. Now you and your wife and Pekin move go there. He said no, now only me dey. Immediately now I say may I convert this into call. Now I say can I call you? He say no, you want I think bus in the transit train. I think bus or transit train. So he can't call me a couple of minutes later. And the guy said, I said the reason why he want to talk to me because now he don't dey in a good place. Say for the past couple of months before he come up from Nigeria for August, say not dey in a good place. Say depression one killer. Oh God, what happen? Where your wife? Where your daughter? He said they're not there together. What happen? He said during the process for around January, when in the try prepare to fair movie family go Canada, now he said make you do DNA test. He said he pay 155K for the DNA test. It won. He said, why waiting for the result? He can't feel saying, na even waste of money because never even do 100% sure say they want really do the Canada matter. Only for DNA test to come outside. The 2 years old daughter.
No being picking.
Not be you. First of all, this boy, now we gather the I don't want this specific, but people will know him. We gather, grow together. So I know the struggle. When struggle. When this guy tell and say he get belle, how they get it first make he do marriage for him. He got hustle money. Even when he born pikin, he got stop his work because that work will not come for the take care of his family. He got look for another work. Come off for where he did with the guys. Come go rent his own house to stay accommodate the family. Come off for they come move go another place again. I know I hustle. I know me time go call and be just let me. I go. I know the pain when passed through because of this marriage and this baby girl. So hearing that news, I shout. My wife also know. When my wife, I said, "May hold on, make it here waiting my guy." They talk. He pikin, not be pikin. Who born pikin now? The girl not be talk. So he say, why you can't force me marry you when you clearly know say not be me? Get this pikin. He not be talk. And they think. Now just on Friday. Now he tell me. He say he lock everybody out. He both family. He say you don't even know how God is saved from himself. You get me? And I remember our last conversation. You get some other this one official right now. When you go to make the thing they direct. When he talks, he say he not go ever marry or trust woman for his life again. But guess what? These 2 points I talk about when within 3 weeks now, when they not find a way to social media, men don't speak. They find way take before you tell me. You see how long it take her to tell me. You get me? Men not they talk most time. But here we are. That's why I thought say if this can happen. Oh, now I will tell you. He say as that one as it won't happen. If friend went the US. When you get picking whether you train for 7 years, then that one rush come back. You know, so then you go left from person, do test. 7 years old pikin not be young. This na real life matter. Me no know that a friend. He tell me. He said, "I make all your friends now. Don't carry the matter put for her. Say when they don't get, they want go do." So that is why I'm saying, thank God say you will find that early. Imagine if it was more years. Now what they say to just make the matter peaceful. Nobody supposed Sean again doing DNA test. I don't know if you get my point.
I get what you need to talk.
It's supposed to be something when we say it's not supposed to be big deal when you go to reject her. That's what I'm saying. Let's make it mandatory. Let's accept maybe you are a man, you know, say you dey potent, you dey okay for your wife to bring on a pikin come when you go train because you know because na your fault. That is understandable. You might be against it.
Adoption option day. But my point now say okay, in as much as I understand your grievance, based on
not be grievance, I dey speak from reality, not be grievance.
When I say grievance, I don't say you dey vex, you dey feel pain, you dey pained on behalf of these people where they close to you because you sabi
because them. I don't feel imagine myself. I tell my wife, I say I don't feel imagine myself. I feel sorry to say. I not feel bear around like the way I be, the way my heart